Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today in this video we'll see one real-time scenario in PySpark. Okay, so the scenario is basically we have one dataset. There are multiple null values in every column. Okay, so we need to get the count of null values from each and every column. Okay, get the count of null values. Okay, so I'm showing you what kind of value null data set we are using here. So this file already I have uploaded in adfs. Okay, so I have already shown you how to upload this in my earlier video, so please go and watch in my channel the videos. Okay, so basically this is my data frame. There are multiple null values. Okay, ये वाला null ये एक एक कॉलम में बहुत सारे null values है. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to get the count. Okay, so I have already as it is a CSV file, how to read the CSV file I have already shown it uh, uh, in my earlier video where the I have shown multiple PySpark related functions and all. Okay, the you can get the playlist from my channel. Okay, please go and watch it. Okay, so this I'm showing you the playlist. One minute. So this is the playlist. Okay, this is the playlist where you will get all the videos related to the PySpark functions and all whatever it is really much required. Okay, and this is the real-time basis scenarios which I'm doing multiple videos nowadays. Okay, so coming back to our session. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बेसिकली आई एम रीडिंग द CSV file here. So whatever file it is saved in dbfs. Okay, so that one I'm reading here. And बेसिकली नल वैल्यू क्या होता है, नल वैल्यू एज ए स्ट्रिंग स्टोर होता है. ठीक है, जो भी हम लोगों के पास डेटा सेट होता है वहाँ पे नल वैल्यू एज ए स्ट्रिंग स्टोर होता है. सो that thing we need to specify here, that how we are specify how we have stored our null value. Okay, so that for this case I'm putting here one option and null value. I have given the value that null wherever it is null value there in my dataset, it will be specified as null. So I have already specified to the path session that null value जहाँ पे होगा वहाँ पे मेरा null कह के रहेगा. ठीक है, so you can get it now in the data frame. So for getting the count, what I will do, I have done one filter condition. I have used the filter condition. Okay, तो filter condition कैसे यूज होता है ऑलरेडी मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो में बता चुका हूँ, तो यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर. तो फिल्टर कंडीशन में बेसिकली एक एक नल वैल्यू को, एक एक कॉलम को मैंने इंडिकेट कर सकता हूँ और वहाँ से वट एवर द नल वैल्यू इट इज I can get the count. Okay, so if I want to get the count for the employee number, so just mention it here like this, empty employee number. Okay, so and run this, you will get the count. So using this we can get the individual count, but we need the whole data set null value count for each and every column. Okay, for this case what we need to do, we need to use this same method in iterative mode. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so if for this case I need the all the column names in a single list. So all column names को एक single list में जाइए जो मुझे iterate करना है. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, तो first see how to get it in list. df dot what we will do, we'll do so for getting it in a list, what we can do, we can use it the column method. Okay, so let's run it. What we will get, you can see here. Yeah, okay, I'm getting it in a list. Okay, all the column. So we can iterate it using for loop, python for loop. for I in df dot column. Okay, so now what we'll do, for now I in df dot columns, in I will get each and every column name for each and every iteration. Okay, तो अभी एक एक कॉलम में मुझे ढूंढना है कि व्हाट इज द नल वैल्यू, तो कितना नल वैल्यू होगा वो मुझे ढूंढना है, ठीक है। तो नाउ getting the null value, you can do like this. So काउंट फंक्शन को यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे। तो काउंट फंक्शन के अंदर में काउंट फंक्शन के अंदर में इसको रख सकते हैं एक में। तो काउंट देन कॉल फंक्शन की यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे। उसके बाद आई एक इटरेटिव कॉलम को हम यहाँ पे पास करवाएंगे। ओके, देन this is null or not, we'll select from here, we'll get it from here, and after that if it is null then it will take it as a count. Okay, तो कंडीशन दे दिया, तो यहाँ पे बेसिकली मेरा कंडीशन दे दिया, और उसके बाद इफ इट इज null then I, and then if it is null for this condition we'll use here when. So basically if it is a null value, then it will consider it for the count. Okay, so here another bracket will be there. Now for count purpose I'll use another bracket. ओके, तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ यहाँ पे मैं एक बार फिर से बता देता हूँ। तो पहले तो एक एक कॉलम नेम को इटरेट किया यहाँ पे, उसके बाद एक एक कॉलम नेम जब मैं यहाँ पे पास कर रहा हूँ, तो कॉलम आई इज इक्वल टू इज नल और नॉट पहले यहाँ पे चेक होता है, ठीक है। इफ इट इज नल देन it will take it and it will get the count with the whole count function. Okay, so now we can do one thing here. We can use for getting the data, we can use CSV, we can use select function, df dot select. So now each and every column will be get selected for this using this. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll display it, okay, using the display function. So before that we'll store it in a new variable. Okay, df final. So now we'll display the df final. Df dot. Okay, I think this should give us the correct output. Okay, let's see what to do. So count function. Okay, I have forgot to import the thing. Okay, I need to import the functions here from PySpark dot SQL dot function import count, call, and when. So all the function imported. Now we can run. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है, call should be a column or string. Okay, so यहाँ पे कुछ issue है, let me check. So there are some bracket mistakes. Okay, the some bracket count mistakes. Okay, I have already cleared it out. Okay, तो अभी ये क्या हो रहा है, बेसिकली ये व्हेन कंडीशन से जैसे कॉलम से नल वैल्यू को डिलीट कर रहा है और उसके बाद उसका काउंट ले रहा है, ठीक है। तो after that, for each and every column using the select function, it is storing the value कि कितना नल वैल्यू है एक एक कॉलम में, पूरा यहाँ पे डिटेल्स आ गया। पर यहाँ पे ये हेडर का वैल्यू ठीक से स्टोर नहीं हो रहा है। सो फॉर दैट व्हाट will do here using the alias, use the alias function. So what the alias function, will use it like that. And in call function we need to pass the string value. So as it is already giving us giving us as a string value list pair. Okay, so we don't need to convert it any data type. Okay, we can directly pass the I. Okay, so now we are getting the each and every columns null value. Okay, तो एम्प्लॉय नंबर में कितना नल वैल्यू है वो भी हम लोग यहाँ से देखिए, 1 2 3 3 3 4 5, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 null value, employee number 5 null value. Okay, so in this way we can get the null value count, total null value count for each and every column. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. Okay, this is a very common real-time scenarios. Okay, that we used to get in our ETL process. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ping me on my WhatsApp. Okay, and also you can ping us in video comment section. Okay, you can join our Telegram channel also. I will give you the link on the description box, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, you guys support is really much required, and you will get lots of PySpark related functions video in this playlist. Please go and watch. This is the basic things which you need to learn before doing anything in your data engineering path. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye.